Ever found yourself staring at your YouTrip app, wondering just how much you can actually spend? We've all been there. You're planning that dream trip, budgeting for those must-have souvenirs, or maybe just trying to manage your everyday expenses, and suddenly, the question pops up, what exactly is my YouTrip limit? It's a crucial question, because knowing your spending limits is key to staying in control of your finances, especially when you're dealing with multiple currencies and international transactions. YouTrip, as a multi-currency wallet, offers a convenient way to manage your money while traveling or shopping online in different currencies. But like any financial tool, it comes with certain limits. Understanding these limits is essential to avoid any unexpected hiccups or declined transactions. So, let's dive into the specifics of YouTrip spending limits and how they work. First, it's important to differentiate between a few different types of limits. There's the wallet limit, which refers to the maximum amount of money you can hold in your YouTrip wallet at any given time. Then, there are transaction limits, which dictate how much you can spend in a single transaction. And finally, there are daily and annual spending limits, which cap your overall spending within those time frames. The wallet limit for YouTrip is set to a maximum of 5,000 Singapore dollars. This means that at any point, the combined value of all the currencies in your YouTrip wallet cannot exceed this amount. If you try to top up your wallet beyond this limit, the transaction will be declined. Now, let's talk about transaction limits. For contactless payments, like tapping your YouTrip card at a physical store, the limit per transaction is generally 400 Singapore dollars. Keep in mind that this might vary slightly depending on the merchant. For online transactions, the limit is typically higher, but it's always a good idea to check the specific details within your YouTrip app or on their official website, as these limits can be subject to change. Moving on to daily and annual spending limits. YouTrip has a daily spending limit for ATM withdrawals. This limit is designed to protect you from unauthorized access and large, unexpected withdrawals. The exact amount can vary, so again, it's best to check your app for the most up-to-date information. Similarly, there's an annual spending limit associated with your YouTrip card. This limit is quite substantial, but it's still something to be aware of, especially if you're a frequent traveler or make large purchases. It's also worth noting that these limits are in place for security reasons. They help to protect your funds in case your card is lost or stolen. YouTrip also employs other security measures, such as transaction monitoring and fraud detection systems, to ensure the safety of your money. So, how can you find out the exact limits that apply to your YouTrip account? The easiest way is to check within the YouTrip app itself. The app provides a clear breakdown of your spending limits, wallet balance, and transaction history. You can also find detailed information on the YouTrip website's FAQ section. If you have any further questions or require clarification, their customer support team is readily available to assist you. Understanding your YouTrip limits is essential for smooth and hassle-free transactions. By being aware of these limits, you can plan your spending accordingly and avoid any surprises at the checkout or ATM. Remember to regularly check your app for any updates or changes to these limits. Staying informed will ensure that you can make the most of your YouTrip card and enjoy its many benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.